When we're talking about facial beauty or facial health, one of the things that we start with is a good facial regimen, and then some type of facial renewal regimen to where we want the skin to be nice and healthy. Start with just good facial care. The procedures that we use are relatively non-invasive.
At TVI MedSpa, our treatments include the hydrofacial.
We do everything from hormone replacement therapy to medically supervised weight loss.
We offer laser hair removal,
Pico laser treatments for tattoo removal and photofacials, and warm sculpting for body contouring.
We offer PDO threads to stimulate collagen and to tighten the skin and lift the skin.
Radiofrequency microneedling.
TVI MedSpa is the first location in Oklahoma that has this Sulfur-Mex. Sulfur-Mex addresses so many different skin concerns, including hyperpigmentation and collagen stimulation, which is something that we're always looking for when we are talking about anti-aging.
I also do some aesthetic procedures as well, but really wellness is my focus and my passion.
We would love to have you book a consultation at TVI MedSpa because it's during that consultation that we go over all the treatments that we have and that we can offer you, because we like to make a program that is personalized to you. Everybody needs different pieces of different technologies, and until we get you in our chair and we go over kind of your needs, we can't really come up with the best plan for you. But when you do come in our chair, we can really go over every single concern that you have and a timeline of how we would best treat each concern.
So if you have any questions or you want more information, check us out at tvimedspa.com or follow us on Facebook and Instagram, please. We'd be happy to offer a free consult. Please come in and see us.